How to grow crepe myrtle from a cutting. With its large colorful bunches of flowers bursting from graceful branches, crepe myrtle is a favorite among gardeners in the southeast of the U.S. Originally imported from Asia in the 18th century, it thrives in zones 7 to 9 but will grow as far north as Boston. Variations from the original white flower tree are common and colors range from pale pink to dark purple. Size can range from 3 to 4 foot shrubs to 30-foot trees. Propagation can be done from seeds in the fall, but the most common way to grow a new crepe myrtle is through cuttings. They are notoriously easy to grow from cuttings, and with the right technique, you should have a healthy established plant in a few years. Things you will need: pruning shears or loppers, plastic bag and wet paper towels, commercial planting material or sand and peat, container, shovel, rooting hormone optional. Obtain the cutting. Cut the soft, new growth if you are collecting cuttings in May or June. From July to early fall, collect the hardwood growth. Morning is the best time to collect cuttings while the tree is fairly dormant. Use a sharp, clean cutting tool to avoid spreading diseases to the plant. Pruners usually work well. Cuttings should be about 5 to 7 inches long and no thicker than your pinky finger. Immediately, wrap the cuttings in wet paper towels and place in a plastic bag until you can get them into the planting medium. Don't leave the cuttings in the bag long or they may mold. Plant the cutting. Try commercial root hormone to encourage new growth, but crepe myrtle will root well without it. Use a commercial planting medium or make your own from equal parts of peat and sand. Use a container that drains well and is big enough for growing roots. Insert 2 to 3 inches into the planting medium with the buds pointing up. Avoid direct sun and keep the soil moist. Mist the cuttings often to keep the humidity high. You should see roots within a week. You can keep your new crepe myrtles indoors until spring or plant them before fall if you collected them early enough. Choose a sunny, well-drained area to transplant your crepe myrtle. Dig a hole twice the size of the roots and hold the plant in place. Fill with the extra soil and water well. To keep the moisture in the soil, add a light mulch.